Hello and welcome to Coca English. I'm your friend Layla.
And I'm Sam. We are so happy to have you here with us. On this channel, we make English simple and fun. Every time, we pick just one English word.
And we talk all about it. We look at what it means and how to use it. Our goal is to help you learn step by step.
That's right. Learning a new language is like building a house. You start with one small brick. Today, we're adding another brick to your English house.
And that brick, our special word for today, is reflect. Can you say it with me, Sam?
Of course. Reflect. Reflect.
Beautiful. So let's start with the first and most common meaning of reflect.
Okay, imagine this. You are walking by a very calm lake. The water is very still and clear, like a mirror. You look down, and what do you see?
You see your face, you see the trees and the sky. The water is showing you everything. When something like water or a mirror shows your image, it reflects you.
Yes, so reflect means to throw back light, sound, or an image. A mirror reflects your face. A window can reflect the sun. The moon doesn't make its own light. It reflects light from the sun.
Let's use it in a sentence. I looked into the water and saw my face reflected back at me.
Or her glasses reflected the light from the computer screen. So it's like a copy made by light.
But wait, Sam. Reflect has another, very different meaning. It's not always about light and mirrors.
Oh, you're right. This second meaning is about thinking. When you stop and think deeply and quietly about something, you are reflecting.
Think of your mind as a calm lake. When you reflect, your mind is calm, and you can see your thoughts clearly, just like the lake shows a clear image.
For example, after a long day, I like to sit with a cup of tea and reflect on what happened. I think about the good things and the not-so-good things.
Teachers often ask students to reflect on what they learned in class. It helps you remember and understand better.
So, if someone says, I need time to reflect, it means they need quiet time to think carefully.
Now, how do we use this word in a sentence? Let's give some simple examples for both meanings.
For the mirror meaning, the tall buildings reflect in the river. It's like the river is showing a picture of the buildings.
For the thinking meaning, he reflected on his past mistakes so he wouldn't make them again. He thought about them carefully.
Sometimes we use it with the word on. She reflected on her happy childhood.
And it's not just for people. A report or a book can reflect facts or ideas. It can show them. For example, this report reflects the opinions of young people. It means the report shows their opinions.
That's a great point. So, reflect can also mean to show or represent something. Your test score often reflects how much you studied. It shows your effort.
Exactly. So we have three main ideas. 1, to bounce back light or an image, like a mirror. 2, to think deeply and quietly about something. 3, to show or represent something else.
Let's practice with a little story. Layla, can you help me?
I'd love to.
Okay. Yesterday, I was walking in the park. The sun was shining and the lake was so calm. I saw the mountains reflected in the water. It was a beautiful picture.
That sounds lovely. So the water reflected the mountains. What did you do next?
I sat on a bench. I started to reflect on my life. I thought about my job, my friends, and my family.
And what did you learn from your reflection?
I realized that my happiness reflects the time I spend with people I love. When I am with them, I feel happy, and it shows on my face.
Wow, Sam, that was a perfect little story using reflect in 3 different ways. Did you hear that, everyone?
Thank you. So, to review, reflect can be what a mirror does, what your brain does when it thinks deeply, and what a thing does when it shows or represents something else.
It's a very useful word. Try to think about it today. Look around. Can you see something that reflects light? Maybe a shiny table or a phone screen.
And take a quiet moment to reflect on your day. What was the best part? What did you learn?
We would love to hear from you. Now it's your turn to use the word reflect. Please write a sentence in the comments below using our word reflect.
Yes, don't be shy. Just try. You can tell us about something that reflects light or a time you reflected on something. Any sentence is a great sentence.
We read all your comments and we love to see you learning and growing. Your effort really reflects your desire to learn English.
Well said, Layla. Thank you for listening today. You are doing a great job.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and we will see you next time on Coca English. Bye!
Goodbye.